meet you. Caleb.
Nice to meet you. Okay.
So do you want us to just bring it down and meet you back here, or? I don't know if I have signal here.
We can do that, or I can meet you at the end of the asphalt or something like that.
It's up to you. I'm good with whatever.
Probably just meet back down here.
Okay.
Probably be best.
Sounds good.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, I'll shoot you a text when we have it out and I get back into service. I don't think there's service up this canyon, so.
Yeah. Well, I'll get her out.
Okay, sounds good. We'll go get her done.
Great, thank you.
Talk to you soon. Think you can climb the berm?
Me?
No. Dad.
Maybe.
Because I'm thinking we'll probably want your nose closer to right here. So, we'll see if you can climb it real quick. Okay. Okay. It's at a kind of a bad angle, but go ahead and put a little tension on it. Dad, I want you to turn uphill and come forward about 6 feet. Yeah, trucks do that in the mud. Sure that he gets through all right. There you go. Smooth sailing now. Thanks. Yeah. You guys enjoy the drive out?
He's coming. Okay. How was the drive down here?
This thing doesn't have any brakes.
Didn't have any tread on the tires either.
No, the tires are bald. That's why he got in the predicament that he did. They're at full air pressure and worn off in the centers. But runs pretty good. Drives nice for the most part. Feels like the rear drums are not adjusted at all. So the pedal moves a long ways before it starts grabbing. And then when it does grab, it feels like there's real spongy and no real pressure. If you push super hard, they'll grab really hard, like the front ones are all worn out.
What are you finding over there, Phil?
Smirnoff. Smirnoff. You need that to go hunting. So when you see a deer out in the middle of a field, you'll think there's 5. Just shoot the middle one.
The front was pretty far off the edge, so I'm glad you didn't try much more on your own, because
that's the.
you don't want to go the rest of the way.
That's what he said. He's like, I'm gonna go off if I find more.
There was one the other day that they didn't want to wait the hour that it was going to take us to drive up there, so they tried and ended up rolling it over on the.
Are you kidding
Yeah.
me? Over an hour?
Yeah.
So you're not that bad.
You got that going for you. Okay, we're all set. So the keys are in the ignition. The key's bent. It didn't want to come in and out real easy, so I just left it in there. I don't want to be the one that breaks it. Also, the brakes are next to non-existent. So your rear brakes feel like they're out of adjustment. Travels a long ways before it engages. and then it feels like the front brakes are completely shot because you have to push really hard, and then it engages all at once and kind of nails the brakes. So I would definitely address your brakes before you drive it around.
I'll take it over to Kenny today.
Perfect. Okay, you're all set. Thanks.
Hey, thanks you guys.